Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off direct messages on the Facebook application. So the process is pretty simple. By default you won't find this option to turn off your direct messages, but here I will give you a trick. So first of all, open your Facebook mobile application and you have to click on the three lines on the right top and you will see page like this. After that you have to click on the settings and the privacy on your bottom, and here you will see a settings option. Simply you have to tap on the settings. Once you will click on the settings, now you have to search for the privacy settings here. Once you will click on the privacy settings and you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the manage your profile, tap on it. Now scroll up and you have to search for the basic info, and in the basic info you will see your date of birth. So simply you have to change the your birth here. So if you don't have to write your date of birth above the 18, you have to enter your birthday below 18. So in the below 18 no one will be able to send message you on your Facebook. So this is the only way you can change your date of birth to stop your DMs. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.